Welcome to Car Vibes. The 2025 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS continues to raise the benchmark in the world of sports cars, offering an ideal blend of daily usability and high-performance driving. It's a car that manages to feel both refined and aggressive, staying true to Porsche's iconic heritage while embracing the latest in automotive technology. One look at the exterior, and it's clear this machine is engineered with purpose. The familiar 911 silhouette remains intact, but subtle updates give it an even more athletic posture. The GTS model features unique front and rear fascias, a lowered stance with the standard PSM Sport suspension, and blacked-out elements including the wheels, tailpipes, and GTS badging, adding an extra layer of aggression to the timeless design. The front end carries updated LED matrix headlights, which are now slimmer and more precise in their illumination. Large air intakes below the bumper help feed cool air to the turbocharged engine and brakes, enhancing performance on spirited drives. Along the side, the muscular fenders and sculpted lines remind you that this is a car built to carve corners, not just pose in parking lots. At the rear, the signature light bar stretches across the tail, and the active rear spoiler blends seamlessly into the bodywork when not deployed. The quad exhaust tips, finished in black, not only complete the visual package, but give this 911 GTS its deep, unmistakable tone. Underneath the rear deck lid, you'll find a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine producing 473 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. This power is delivered smoothly and aggressively through an 8-speed dual-clutch PDK transmission, or optionally, a 7-speed manual for purists. With launch control activated, the Carrera GTS rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds when equipped with the PDK and Sport Chrono package. The throttle response is instant, and the power band is wide and flexible, making it equally capable on a racetrack or a winding country road. The rear-wheel drive setup offers the classic 911 feel, but all-wheel drive variants are available for those looking for year-round confidence. The chassis feels incredibly balanced, and with Porsche active suspension management and rear axle steering, the car remains nimble and composed even at the limits. Braking is strong and fade-resistant thanks to large ventilated rotors and multi-piston calipers, with optional carbon ceramic brakes for those who plan to push the car harder. The GTS trim strikes a perfect middle ground between the more comfort-focused Carrera and the track-ready turbo models, offering agility without sacrificing comfort. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Carrera GTS continues Porsche's trend of understated luxury and driver-focused design. The seating position is low and snug, giving you a real connection to the road. Standard Sport Seats Plus are wrapped in Racetech's synthetic suede with optional leather, providing both support and style. The minimalist dashboard layout features a 12.6-inch curved digital instrument cluster, paired with a 10.9-inch center touchscreen powered by the latest Porsche communication management system. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and voice control come standard, with the optional Burmester or Bose premium audio systems available for those who want elevated sound quality. Materials throughout the interior are premium and purposeful, with brushed aluminum, carbon fiber, or leather accents depending on the package. There's a perfect balance between tactile controls and digital convenience, making it easy to adjust settings without distraction. You also get a surprising amount of practicality with the 911. While the rear seats are more symbolic than functional for adults, the front trunk offers decent space for short trips or daily errands. Pricing for the 2025 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS starts around $150,000 and can rise quickly depending on options, packages, and customization. Porsche's extensive options list means each GTS can be tailored to the driver's taste, but even in base form, it delivers an exhilarating experience that few cars can match. Whether you're cruising through the city, blasting down the highway, or exploring back roads, the 2025 Carrera GTS proves once again why the 911 remains one of the most respected names in the automotive world.